Okay, Teresa, so I understand this is your guys' seed counter, is that correct?
That's absolutely right.
Okay, and you guys need to count a lot of seed.
Yes.
And probably fairly quickly in order to make this efficient.
Yes.
Okay.
So we were having problems with the traditional seed counters we used to use, which counted the seed in single file.
So would it move down a
sometimes-
conveyor of some sort, or?
Well, actually, what we did is we developed the seed counter in-house, and what it comprises of is a line scan camera. It's pointed at a prism looking at 2 meters here. So as the seed falls down here, free flow, it's actually able to measure 2 directions.
So the seed falls down this tube,
Right.
and as it's falling through the air, the camera is capturing images of that seed falling from different angles.
Yeah.
Now, why is
So-
it necessary to capture
Different
the
angles?
seed from different angles?
So for example, here's one seed here, and you got another one hiding behind here.
Oh, okay.
It won't see that one, but if you
Sure.
see it from the other angle, which is 90 degrees, you'll be able to see that seed.
That's very creative.
So by doing so, we can actually count about 1,000 pellets a second.
Holy cow.
Yes.
That is a lot of seed. 1,000 per second.
Typically for pelleted seed, we can count as large of a sample as about 50,000 seeds.
You
So
can
that's-
count 50,000 seeds at a time using
Yes,
this machine.
absolutely.
Wow. That is something. By virtue of having different camera angles on this seed, you can also more effectively count oddly shaped seed as well. Is that right?
Yeah, so every time we put a sample through, the machine will actually learn what it's supposed to be looking for.
Okay.
And then it will eliminate things that aren't seeds, so we'll actually get a really accurate count.
Okay.
So right here, we're putting the seed through, and I'm just going to go ahead and stop the feeder to show you what we're going to be looking for is a weight per thousand. So I'm going to go ahead and reset the count. And so this is a weight per thousand here. This 1.107 grams.
So you know 1,000 seeds of this specific seed weighs 1.107 grams.
Yes.
Now you can use that in once you take a batch out of that, all you have to do is weigh the seed, and you've got your fraction of your original number, and then you can estimate exactly how many seeds you have left.
Yes.
You don't have to run them through again.
Right.
That's
So
a
in the
smart way to
past,
do it.
we used to do all of our packaging using a weight per thousand. So if a grower wanted 1,000, we would weigh that for the grower. Now we actually have a bunch of these seed counters down in our packaging area. We actually count the seed that we put in the vial.
So you know exactly.
So they're getting exactly 1,000.
Wow.
Not like an estimate, but the exact 1,000 seeds.
Exactly 1,000. That is something else.
Okay, and then you probably wonder, okay, so we count this after we process the seed. So a seed count's done, we analyze the quality to make sure that our pellet is the right formulation, it's not too soft, not too hard. And then we'll go ahead and return it into inventory after we test it. And then every 4 months we'll pull a new sample of the seed and we test it again. So at the 6-month anniversary we should have that new germination result loaded into our computer system.
Okay. Very cool. Well, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.